Hello my lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades, and please, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, and please you press the notification bell, then you select all so that you'll be notified of our new uploaded videos. And please, today I want us to learn how to create a very simple poster for Easter, or Easter poster, how to design Easter poster. And these are the images that I'll be using, and I don't owe any copyright of these images. It's just for educational and tutorial purposes. And please, I will urge you to follow me carefully as I go through the process how you can design a very simple Easter poster. So first of all, let me double click on rectangle tool. If you double click on a rectangle tool, it will draw a rectangle to fill the whole page. So if you want to see it has filled the page, look at this one. You see these edges that we use to control it, or you can fill in color to see it. Okay, so this is not what I want, it's just for tutorial purposes. So you go to undo. If you do, or if you perform any activity at Corel Draw and you don't want it, you just go to undo, and this applies to most of the softwares. Okay, it applies to most of the softwares. If you perform any action and you don't want, you just go to undo. So at Corel Draw, this is the sign for undo. Okay, so I've drew this, and then I come to interactive fill tool. I drag it, then I come to elliptical fountain. Then if you click here, there's a color here that you can choose. Okay, we have other ways to do it. You can just click here, then you choose the color. You click here, you choose the middle color, or you can drag it from outside and put it inside a box like this. Okay, so just follow me carefully. Please, if you have any comment, don't forget to drop it under the comment section. Yes, so let me open the color dialog box to select the color that I want. Select the color that I want. So yeah, color that I want. Then you come to the middle one too to select the color that you want. Please follow me carefully. And here still remains Omades. Please, I need your subscription to move this channel forward. If you have any question or comment, please drop it under the comment section. Good. Now I've finished my color blending, and if you draw any shape at Corel Draw, you see it is in the form of outline. So I want to remove this outline. So I come here, you click on none or undo. You click on this box by right clicking. We have two buttons of a mouse. We have left click and right click. Here you right click. Okay, good. It's the same thing here. Let me go to undo and show you. This color, this line here is the same thing here. Okay, if you right click, it's the same thing, and if you left click, you are filling inside the color. Okay, now let me bring my list in here because I want to blend it with this one. I want to blend it with this one. Please, I hope you're enjoying the tutorial. Okay, good. Then this one too, let me blend my colors and blend my colors. What and blend my colors and blend my colors. Good. We have designed a very simple Easter camp meeting poster, and being an expert or being a beginner, you can follow this process. Okay, yeah, it's the same thing. Like I told you, you can drag the color from outside and put it here, or you can click here and open this color dialog box and choose it. Okay, good. So after this, I'm not comfortable with the colors, I can still blend it. Okay, I can still blend it. Look, after that I come here, it come to mesh fill, you click on, you see it has divided the whole place. Okay, so you double click, it brings more division. Okay, then you click on a color, you see it will fill that place. You double click, then you click on a color, it will fill that place. Double click, it's white. Yeah, double click, it's white. Double click, white. Or if you can click once, and even if you double click, it means you want to divide the place. If you click on one, no problem, you click on one, then you click on the color that you want to fill. Yeah, fine. I don't want any more division, so I'm just blending my colors. This one is too deep. You can do yours, it's just for educational purposes. Yeah. Yes. Please follow me carefully. I don't want you to miss any step out. Okay. And if you get time and follow me to the end, after end of this tutorial, I hope you are able to also create something best. Yeah. So when you finish and you click on pick to, let's see how it will look like. Well, not bad, but still I want more. I want to add something. So I want white here, and I want small white here. Okay, the white are too much. Let me blend it a bit. Okay, good. Yes, so this is what I wanted. Let's look at how it is. Good. Now, every church has a name, it has a logo, but for educational purpose we will create something fast to represent our logo. And I'm not done yet. You take this building, and I want to blend it with a background. You stretch it. If you want to stretch any image object at Corel Draw, it has 8 edges. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can hold any part and stretch depending on how you want to stretch it. Okay, and you can also reduce it by using the same process. Now I put my listing here, then this is transparent too. I pick it, then I drag it. Okay, like this, drag it like this. Good. I'll be using the same transparent tool. This one I drag it to this place, the up. I blended the up. Okay, only the up. So I want to blend it down too. So after that, if I drag it down here, you see the up will still come. So after you do this, then you go to bitmap, you convert to bitmap. Okay, good. Let me increase the resolution to make it smooth. Good. So once I'm done, you can come down here also. Look at this. Good. Okay, like this. And this one you convert it to. Good. So I think it's on top of this one, so I want it to go down. I want it to go behind this, or I can break this one up. You just click on this one or select this one, then you go to object, you go to order, then front of page. Okay, undo. You can also use shortcut. You right click on your mouse, order, front of page. Good. Now let me reduce this one small, then bring this one a bit down. Then I bring my across like this. Okay, we can change the color of this by going to transparent to, then you come here, any of this that you choose, it will bring a difference on the image. Okay, so let's see. You see, you see, you see, you see, yeah, hard light, soft light. Okay, color dodge, color band. Good. Or you can choose not to apply anything. Okay, so go to normal, and I can also do the same thing on the this buildings, that image on the background. Okay, you click here. I think this one was exclamation. Let me see, red, color band. Okay, let me maintain this, and this one too. Let me leave it that way. So let's find a name for the church, or we can leave it. Okay, we can leave it. So let's say this is the name of our church. Okay, name, sorry, I want it in capital letters, name of the church. Assuming this is the name of the church. Okay, good. We are presuming this is the name of the church. Change the color. Good. Let me copy it. And in Corel Draw, we have many ways to copy something, object, text, or something like that. You just hold down the bottom of your mouse. That's the normal clicking. That's the left click. You drag it wherever you want. Then you right click. Okay. You right click. You hold down. You drag it somewhere. You right click. It's a very simple way to copy an object or copy something at Corel Draw. Okay. Now I copy it. Then good. So this is the name of our church. This is the name of our church. And let's try and create something like logo here. Let's see, draw a circle, then I copy it. I just show you how to copy it. Then you come here, take the smart fill, click here. Good. After this, you can take this out, then the original object that you draw will still be there. Then I delete it. I don't want this one, so I remove the outline, then I copy it again like this. Then I draw a circle, I fill it. This one is on top of the first one I draw, so I select this, I right click. I hope by now you know how to do it. Order in front. Good. This one is too deep. Remove the outline. No, I think the deep one is okay. We are just creating something like a logo for the church, okay? And it can be here. Yeah, I think here is good. So let me blend this color a bit because it's too deep for me. It's too deep for me. Good. I can still copy it by holding shift, then you hold down the bottom of your mouse like this, then you right click like I just show you, then I do this. It has covered the first one because this is the latest object that I have drawn. So like I just show you, right click, order, front of page. Good. Let me group it, put it inside here. Okay, good. Then let me work on it small. Come here, take the transparent tool, then I drag it like this just to blend it. Okay, yeah, just to blend it. So let's take this one as our logo for the church. Just for educational purposes, you can create any nice logo that you want. Or this one, I think is let me light it. Let me choose a very light color. Like this. Good. Now, so this the name of the church, and this is our logo also. I hope you're enjoying the tutorial. So let's come here. That's the main reason why we are designing this. That is for Easter. And I can blend this one on the background too. It depends on you, okay? Depends on you. It's for educational and tutorial purposes. Depends on you how you want your design to be. And I want this one to, I want to dim this one, okay? Like this. You just click on transparent tool. If you want to do this, you click on transparent tool. Let me clear it. First of all, you click on transparent tool, but the object that you want to apply it on should be active or selected. Then you come here, that is uniform, okay? Uniform, it's all the same, okay? Good. You click on like this, then you control it, okay, here. Okay, good. Yeah, just for educational purposes. Take this shape tool and clear off the excess parts. Good. You drag it, then you hold control in order to maintain the position. I don't want it to be crooked or crooked. Good. So we still dim it a bit. Good. Or you can drag it even here and cut the excess part. Depends on you how you want your design to be, okay? Use it with good. Here still remains Omades. Good. Now let's come to the main reason why we are here. That is the Easter. So I've copied the text. I've shown you how to copy it. So Easter what? Easter, it can be Easter camp meeting, Easter convention, okay? So let's write, I want it to be Easter camp, no, Easter convention. Easter convention. Good. Now I want to break it into two. I want the Easter to be separate and the convention to be also separate, okay? So in order to do this, after writing it continuously, after writing it, it's all on a straight line, one line. Okay, come to object, break artistic text, and this is the name of the text. Okay, that's the font. Good. You click on, then it has break it. If I go there again and click on, it means I want each text to be breaked. Okay, but this is not what I want. So we go to undo, 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 undo. Good. Then use the shape tool to make it more compatible. Stretch it big. And I want to bring a style here, so I delete the T and create it myself. Okay, good. Use the freehand tool. Good. Then I want here, let me turn it upside down here, mirror horizontally, no sorry, mirror vertically. Good. Then I copy the same thing, I rotate it by clicking it again to bring this rotational sign. Good. I just want the T to be like something like cross. Okay, then I select the down also together by pressing the shift and click. Okay, then I weld it, so now it is combined. Good. I can choose to change the font style, or I can maintain it, so I will maintain it. Let me remove the outline, then let me weld all together. Good. I've welded all together so that I can control it easy. Good, good, good. So Easter convention 20, the year is 2022. Yeah, Easter convention. Good. So this is how I want it to be. Then let me apply color on this. Go from here. Right now you know how to do it. Easter convention, and you see the color that you choose must blend with the background. Okay, but it depends on you. Maybe the one I will choose will not look more beautiful and more nice, but you can also choose yours. Okay, this is just for educational purposes, because something that might look beautiful to your eyes might also be different to me. It must be ugly to me, so depends on you. Good, good. So this I want mine to be. Then I want to apply contour on it, so you come to contour, then this I think 2 is okay. Oh sorry, it's too much. Let's remove this one. Why? Good. Is there only 2? Yeah, I want it outside. Okay, I don't want it inside. This one, the contour is inside. I want it outside. So this is inside contour. I want it outside. Good. Like this. This is how I want it. So that I'll get the shape of my text. Okay. Now, after I want to work on it. So after you click on contour again, you right click, then you break contour apart. Good. If you break it apart, it is still grouped. Okay, then you come to ungroup all object. Good. Now I can take it one by one. Okay, good. So undo. Then let me try and work on it with this shape too. Or better still, I can give the first one color, then I give the second one color. No, this one is not nice. I'll make it like this. Then no, then let me blend the down one, because choosing one straight color is not nice. Okay, depends on you how you want it. So this is how I want mine also. Or I can choose this or this. Yeah, not bad. Yeah. Vista. The second one to the third one, which is the main color to stand out, to make it clear, is this one. Yeah, I can drag it here, can put it here. I have to work on the down one. It's not nice to me. To me, it's not nice. So I'm gonna work on it. The down one. Good. Now, I think this one is okay. Then, what about the convention 2022? Is it okay? Or let's try and do something small on it. And the color too, I choose one flat color for it. Too much color also is not nice, okay, when designing. So, and this one I wish to change the font style. So you click here, then you look through. Let me see. Nice. Just browse through. Okay, I think I prefer this. Good. Now, what again? Let's come to the date, the venue, and the time. And I'm using these symbols to represent it. Sorry, I think it has gone down. So you have to right click, up, because these objects were already there. Any object that you bring later will be up or will be on top of the first one. That is why these ones are down. So you right click in front, and this one to, yeah, you right click on top. Good. Now let's choose our date. I want this text to be used for the date and the venue and the rest. So what is the date for it? Date, it's just for educational purposes, okay? So let's pick any Sunday from April. This is March, February. I'm going up. Okay, April. So let's any Sunday from April. I say 17th. Okay, So Sunday, Sunday 17th April 2022. Then where is the location? Anywhere. Cathedral. Am I correct? Good. Then what is the time? Good. So these are the dates that I'll be using. These are my dates, my venue, and let me change the font for it. I can maintain it. I can maintain it. It depends. It's just for educational purposes. Let me see this. This is not bad. What do you think? Let me change it. You just scroll through and you can put the cursor here, then the font will show here. Okay, it depends on where it shows it depends on where it will display, depending on the version that you are using. I'm using version 20, that is Corel 20. Good, I want this one. Good, I want this one. Then I use the shim tool to make it more compatible, and I can also use to space it, okay, like this. Okay, now let me take this freehand tool. You press your hand on the control, you click, then you drag it to right side to draw a straight line. Okay, then this time I don't want it to be straight line, I want it to be dotted. Let me increase the size a bit and make it dotted. And we have many types of dots here. Dotted line. Good. Okay, I want this one. Can also change the color, okay, by also putting the cursor on the color. Then you right click, you right click. Good. That is how to apply color for any outline, because this one is a line. So how to apply color to outline or line is putting the cursor on the color, then you right click. But if I want to fill inside this one, I have to use the left click, you see. And if I want color for outline, I just right click, you see, inside, then outside. The outside is right click, then to fill inside is left click. I don't want this, so just for educational purposes, just go to undo to maintain my original color. Good. Now these symbols can represent date, location, and time. So this one represent the date. This one represent the date. That is on Sunday. Then this one represent the location or the venue. Okay. Please, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Then you like, you share, you comment, then you drop it under the comment section. This one, the the line is too big, that is why it is disappearing. So I'll just decrease it like this, then I fill in the color I just show you its outline. So I have to right click, so then I copy the same line here, then I copy one also here. Then I can make the end to disappear by selecting all the colors, then by selecting all the line, then come to transparent, then I start from here to disappear from this place. Good. I think these are too big. These are too big. And it seems like all the colors are one. Let me change it a bit. Just for educational purposes. No, it shouldn't be far from the blue. Okay, this one is okay. Then I can maintain this one. Then change this one to also. Good. So are we done? Let's do something here. Let's blend it. Take one color, then I take another color. Please, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please, you like, you share, you comment. So yeah, still on. No, let's. Okay, and then the inside and the outside. No, let me make it linear. So for the linear, the color will start from left, then from right, then it meets. Okay, yeah. Then let me remove the outline I just show you. Good. Then let me copy it again. Then let me reduce this one like this, the down one. Yeah, let me change that one also color. So what are you going to write there? What are you going to write there? I say entry. So what is the entry price for the program that you are doing? Okay, is it free? Is there a price on it? Entry. So what do you think for the entry? Say free. So let's change it. Now I want it to look like something free. I want to put emphasis on the free, so I'll just break it like I just show you. Then I take this one like this, I do this one like this, I make this one up, then this one also down. Okay, free. Then I think exclamation sign is needed too also. Yeah, like this. Then after I select all, I convert it to curves, then I weld it again to bring all together. Okay, now let me put color, some colors here. So let me copy this one, then I apply outline for this one. Good. Then the reason why it has disappeared, look at here, look at here. See, sometimes if you use the shortcut it helps, sometimes it don't helps. Okay, good. You see, this is the main size of the font. Okay, this is the main size, look at it. This is the main size of the font. Okay, but because I applied an outline, see, it has disappeared. So what should we do to maintain the size of the font but we still get the outline big, any size that we want it? After that, here there's no any other option here. Okay, there's no any other option here. Let me put it at the right place so that you see what I'm talking about. Good. So this is the size, this is the size. Now if you remove the outline, you see the size I'm talking about. You see, this is the size. So 1.5, you see the size is this decreasing. 1, it is still decreasing. So what about if you take a large number? It has disappeared. But there's something that you can do to maintain the size of the text or the font, and you can also get any size for the outline that you want. So you come here where we have this pen, you double click to open the outline property, and there's other way also that you can go to open this dialog box. Okay, so after choosing this, then you come to behind field. Okay, look, I still maintain the size of the font, but I've got a big outline. Okay, and there are also more properties there that you can apply. Okay, we'll go there and see, but let's finish this one, then we'll go there. So after this, let me change the outline. Good. Then I put on this. You see, I can change this one, make it different. No, yes, good. I think this one is okay. Yeah, sorry, undo. So it's free. Let's enter. And I think I need to change this one. Good. So this is the gate fee. This is our gate fee. So now when I was talking about the outline, let's do something here. Okay, let me apply it on this one so that you will see what I'm talking about. I think this one you will not see, because what I want to do, it will curve the edges. By this font, the edges are already curved. So let me apply it on this one so that you can see. You click on, I've selected it. You double click here to open the, sorry, where is it? This is the outline properties. I've opened it. Just for educational purpose, let me zoom it so that you can see. Let's see. This is the color for the outline. Okay, this is the width, that is the thickness. So this is what I've taken. Okay, like I showed you, because I've not clicked behind field. Look at how the font is disappearing, the size of the font. So if you click here, then you maintain it. Good. So this is the color of the outline. You can choose from here, or you can choose it from here. Like I showed you, you right click, that's the color of the outline. Good. Now this is my color. Okay, it's just for educational purpose. I will clear it. I just remember, and it's necessary for you to know. Good. After, then you come here, the outline, it can be dotted. Okay, it can be dotted. Just look at this. You see, Let me reduce it so that you see what I'm talking about. You see? Good. Let's go there. So we have many types of a dotted line here. You see? You choose any one that you want. Choose any one that you want. But we don't want any dotted line. It's just for tutorial purposes. So I want the straight line. Then after, you see these edges, these sharp edges. You can make it, sorry, you can make it the corners. So the first one is what is being applied on, or what is being activated right now. See the first one, you see metered corners. Okay, then we have round corners. Just look at this. You see it has turned to round. Good. Then we have beveled corners. Okay, and it has explained bevel into bracket, square off corners in the line or outline. See, you see? Good. This is what I wanted to show you in case you want to apply any of this. And if you choose, let's say, a dotted line for it can still show. Okay, see? Yes, but I don't want this, and I don't want any outline, just for educational purposes. So I'll just clear it. Come here, you choose none. Okay, then press OK. So you are still watching Omades, and please, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I think this one, if you zoom it, is not clear. Oh, good. So this one, I delete it. I don't need anymore. So viewers, this is the end of our design, and if there's anything that we can add, it depends on you. So this is the design for our Easter convention poster. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any comment also, please don't forget to also drop it under the comment section. You can add many more to it. You can add many more. It depends on you. Okay, so first of all, let's say we have finished this one. Okay, we have finished this one. So this is how this one looks like. Okay, let's zoom it. Let's preview it all and see. So after designing, and you want to preview the whole work to see how it will look like, you select it, you zoom it out, then you come to full screen preview. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I think I've already shown you this, and let's try also to apply something on it. Okay, so I've copied this one out. I've grouped it and I've copied it out. Now let me ungroup it again. Then let's also try to apply something on it and see. I'm applying this by doing this. I take the freehand tool, I draw like this, I draw like this, I draw this. Okay, good. Then I fill in color, I remove the outline. Then let me copy the same thing also to this place by holding Ctrl key and drag it to the right hand side. Then you press right click on the bottom of your mouse. Okay, like this. Now after this, I select all by pressing shift and click on the other one. Then I weld it. I've welded it together. Then I take this. So how many size? 5. Let's see. No, let me add 1. No, let's see. Yes, I think 4 sizes is okay. Then I put it here. I fill in here. I remove the outline. You see? So this is how I've underlined my title. Okay, this is how I've underlined my title. Let me group it together so that I can move it all. Good. So now the same thing here. So after, we will compare it to the other one. So after, we can also add, sometimes many of the church has motto. So example, or many of the programs that they are doing, they normally have a motto for it. So come and experience the of Jesus. I pull this one up a bit. This one I have to group it so that I'll not distort it. Then let's choose a very nice font for it. If you're a constant designer, most of the fonts might be in your head. You just type the name, then it will come. Example like this, I have one font here because the shift happens. You see, it has come, so you just click on it. You see, so I can choose this one, come and experience the blood of Jesus. Okay, good. So we can add this one to add more aesthetic quality to the design, or we can leave it. Okay, good. I can maintain this font, or I can change it. We can still go through, maybe you find a proper or a clear one, or if this one is okay, you just maintain it just for educational purposes. Okay, good. Now I think I saw one font here, I like it. Good, I can choose this one. Then good. I can bold it. So this, let's say this is what I want. Come and experience the blood of Jesus. Good. I can change the color, I can maintain it. Good. I can also put it in a something. I draw a rectangle, I fill down here, I put it inside, and I go to object, order, front of page. I change the color to make it more visible. Yes. Remove the outline. I can also copy one here and just create something nice here like this. You see? And this one too, I can blend the color or I can leave it. So example like this. I can blend the color. Can blend the color like this. Or after this, after doing this, I can use this transparent to blend it to the background completely. So like this, okay, like this. Then I come here, bitmap, then I convert to bitmap, then I do the same thing here. And after converting it to bitmap, note you cannot change the color. Okay, good. Now this is it, and let me delete this one and copy this one that I've blended so that it will look alike. Okay, like this. Wow. So we added something to it, and look at how it is. Okay, and we can also change the background and see how it will look like. Okay, let's try and see. Let's change the background. Because it's the death of Christ, we can do something like this. How do you see this one also? And this time around we can change it from this elliptical to linear and see. You see? Sorry. Yeah. Or can do it how you want it. Can start from anywhere, it depends. I think the top right corner here is good. Depends. Okay, then we can still maintain the down color, or we can make it one solid color like this. Then if it comes that way, then you have to change the, what do you call it, the colors of the font also. Okay, like this. But I think this one also is not bad. So this is how this one also looks like. Okay, by comparing the blending of the colors to the down one here, it doesn't match, so you can change it, yes, to something like this. Then it means everything has to change. Everything has to change. Then we change this one also. Oh, sorry, let's change this one. I think this one, and see how it will look like. And you make here red, then I choose one here too. Oh, I think it's too much. Let me light it. Let me light the middle one a bit. Okay, let me choose it from here. I think here is okay. And I reduce it like this. Then I change this one to white. I change this one also to white. Then I can change all this one also to any color that I want. I think white is okay. This one is outline, so I have to fill an outline. Then remove the inside fill. Good. And this one, because I've converted it to bitmaps, I cannot change it, so I have to draw another one. And this one too, I can change it by doing this. Let's see this, and let's see here. Then this one also, we can change it like this. Change it like this. Good. I think this one is okay. Then I think I need to change this one also, and the down one also. I think this one is okay. The entry, I can leave it like this, or let me leave it like this. Then, like I said, and this one also, I have to change the color to make it more visible. to change the color to make it more visible. Then this one, I can even remove this one and leave it this way. Okay, so it's the same design, I have not touched anything. And this one, let's say for the church logo, sometimes we design according to the color of the church, or you can leave it that way. And fill here to be black. I think this is my logo. And the heading too, I can leave it, or can choose to change it. So I think, look at this one too. So you compare the two and see which one looks more and more beautiful. And please, you can bring your comment under the comment section, and it depends on you. It's just for tutorial purposes. That is why I'm changing the background. And like I said, you can change it anyhow you want it. You can keep on changing to get the one that suits you. Okay, good. Okay, or let me make this one more standard, like 3D. Come here, put a shadow under this one. Okay, I'll make it a straight color. I have to remove this blending by no fill. I take this one. I think this transparency is there, so I have to clear it. Good. It's not bad. So viewers, let's compare it and see which one will suit the occasion. Okay, so come here, full screen preview. So viewers, this is it. It's the same test. I have not changed anything. So this is how the one I change, and you can keep on changing the colors. Okay, so I will end here, and please, if you have any comment, please don't forget to drop it under the comment section, and please subscribe for more tutorials. And I think after following this process carefully, you can create any other posters too, not only Easter camp meeting, any church poster, any other occasional posters too. I hope after following this process you can create it yourself. So thank you for watching the video, and please, like I said, you share, you comment, then you subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.